Hey y'all, this is Ann at Georgia Campers. Guess what I've got here? That's right, a brand new Salem Forest River 22 veranda. Now, if you saw my videos at Sneak Peek, then you'll know that I had a 32 veranda on that, and I showed this one kind of in the background, but now we've got it on our lot. And let me show you what's so great about it. It's got a sliding porch. So hold on just a minute and I'll give you a video tour. All right, so this 22 veranda has all the features of the 2025 Salem Cruise Lights. This is the 22 veranda. There's also a 32, but you can see the new bar lighting outside. This is a double axle. It has power stabilizers. And if you look under the steps, you've also got stabilizers under the steps in and out, which I think is just a great new feature. So if you want to come on in, I'll show you all the new features inside. All right, so there's two entrances into the camper. I came in here through the bedroom, but there's also an entrance on the veranda. But starting here, we have the king bed, which is a Versatile. It's custom king. You've got your spot on the right over here where you can put your phone or your iPad, your glasses, a drink. You've got USB A and C on the right side with power. This step, they've gotten rid of the wardrobe on the right side. So on this side, you've got steps, and this bottom one is called the pet step. Shades up and down. Overhead storage on both sides. Then on this side, you've got a 3-shelf unit. Books, also iPads, anything you've got here, with also a USB A and C. As I come here, you've got wardrobe storage on the top, additional storage here, and then here you've got a little bag that drops down into the pass-through storage for laundry. Got a sliding door here to give you privacy. Then we've got a pass-through bath. Now, as y'all know, I love the pass-through bath because there's so much space in them. So starting here on the shower side, you've got your fan here. You've got a really big skylight. Big shower, step up into it. Then you've got this instead of a shower curtain. You've got this waterproof liner. Just a quick tip, always make sure if you're traveling that you leave that open until it fully dries, or wipe it off before you close it and store it like this, because you don't want any water sitting here in the membrane and getting yucky. The Dometic toilet, you've got a plenty of knee space here on the toilet. And then check out over here. So the 2025 Salems have got this piece here. So you've got this nice curved mirror with some lighting behind it. It just gives you some ambiance lighting. You've got your sink here, big mirror, under counter storage, and then you've got this open storage, which is great for towels or blankets or anything you might have in here. So as we walk through into here, this is the living area. So you've got another pocket door hidden back here. Your control center is in the middle. So you've got JBL speakers, which are integrated both inside and out. This is your center, your lights. So you see we've got the bar lights. So now here we've got this. We've got this dimmer. So all the way off, or the dimmer switch. Let's look at the kitchen. So a big L-shaped counter, lots of space in the back, air fryer, coffee pot. You've also got back here, you've got electrical outlet and a USB A and C. You've got a big double sink, residential style faucet. You do have a tile look backsplash, which is super nice. You know, if you spill something, you just wipe it right off. Up here in this storage, you've got plenty of shelving space. Same here. Well, you've got a 3-burner stove and an oven. Up top, under the hood, you've got a microwave. Then you have 3 sets of storage here under the sink. This has answered the whole where do you put your trash can in your camper problem. So you've got that. More under storage here. And then on this side, you've actually got 3 drawers. So plenty of places for your silverware, your utensils, good storage there as well. Now, you may say, oh, but I don't have a pantry. Oh, yes, you do. So come on in over here. So you've got your standard, it's actually a little bit larger than standard 12-volt fridge. So it's going to run off of your 7-way when you're plugged in. So you're getting cold as you're rolling down the line. And then look at this. Look at this pantry. So somebody got so smart and they're using this hidden space tucked in here next to the refrigerator. So you've got places for your cereal, you know, your snacks. You can put dog treats down there. I mean, what a great use of space here in your pantry. All right, so now as we kind of have moved through the kitchen area, the other thing that you see that you don't have is any sort of dinette. You know, dinettes take up a ton of space, and they're not super versatile. But look here, so since we were transported, and this unit just came in last night, we've got stools tucked up here. Now they're tied in and so that while they're transporting, they're not rolling around. But you've got a bar here, which you can either use on a stool on that side and a stool on this side, pull it out. You know, if you needed to work from your camper, you could put a printer here, work on your computer here. I mean, such versatile space here in this kitchen bar area. You can do just about anything. And then look here, this piece underneath, not only do we have lights underneath, but that's stable enough too for a printer. So obviously you'd want to make sure that you bolt it down or tie it down while you're transporting, but you could run an entire company from this camper in style. Now, check out this couch. So this is the Versa Lounge. So you've got the chase here. This side is a jackknife. Underneath, you've got 3 tubs of storage here. Got a tub storage underneath. You got additional lights. Now, what is this? See? Patio deck in and out. So this is why this is called the Veranda. Now in 2025, you will see some other manufacturers that have a porch on the back. Well, why is this one different? So Forest River has the patent with the slide company for the next, I think, 2 years, where the other porches do not have a slide. So as you come out here, first you step through. I'm going to come back around here and talk to you here. So this is a screen. Now this screen door goes here, but during transport, it was on the bed. So I've moved it out here. So normally, you know, these cardboard pieces wouldn't be here. They'll be mounted in, but I've got to let my tech, when he gets here on Monday, fix that. So check out the food prep area. So look at the big space you've got here. I'm going to show you all the things that it does. So here I've got this little button to click. Just push it, pull up. You've got a cooktop. Up here, you've got this heat shield so that nothing up top, you know, obviously damages the ceiling. This right here, now this is a water valve. So what this does is there are misters back here. I'll show you up here. They're up in here. And so hot out here, if you're hot cooking, guess what? You just use this little water valve, turn it on, and it runs off of your water tank. So here, you got a place to food prep, you sink, and then under here, you've got a beer fridge, or a wine fridge, or a juice fridge, whatever kind of fridge you like. Notice you've got a water filter down here, you've got a water filter wrench, and then you've got the outdoor shower piece, which is just stored down here. Easy to close it. Click it closed. Stash your faucet. You even got power out here, so you've got a power outlet. Close that down. Now, so you've got plenty of space back here for a chair and a chair. So you're sitting out here enjoying the outdoors while somebody is cooking. Your Salem Cruise Lite. And then here, you've got an exterior exit. So you just open that up, and let me tell you why I love this. It locks shut. And then you've got this pin that drops right in here to make sure it stays shut. But why I like it is because you've got kids out here, you've got dogs, whatever you might have back here, you don't want them to get out. You've got plenty of spots here where nobody can get through. Lock that back door and you're good to go. So this 22 Veranda has all the features, and y'all, I don't even think I showed you this side. You've got storage up top, comes with the television, and a big fireplace. Look how wide the fireplace is. It's wider than the TV. Y'all come see this 22 Veranda at Georgia Campers. It won't be here long, I promise you that. Y'all, I am standing out here in this 22 Veranda on the porch, under lights, under cover, under shade, and I can't wait for you guys to come check this out. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get notified as soon as I put a video up, which is pretty often. And if you click over here, it'll take you to the video of the 32 Veranda that I did at Sneak Peek a couple of months ago, and you'll see the features and the differences in the 32 versus the 22. As always, y'all, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Y'all have a great day.